Hey everyone, Caleb here for Theme Park HG, bringing you the very best tips and tricks for your enjoyment. Today, as you might have guessed, we're going to be talking about my recommendations for FastPass at Epcot in Walt Disney World. Now, Epcot, just like Disney's Animal Kingdom and Disney's Hollywood Studios, has a tiered system set up for their FastPass. The Tier 1 FastPass is going to include Test Track, Soarin', and the new Frozen ride. You can choose one of these attractions to have a Tier 1 FastPass. Now, my recommendation, since you just have to choose one of these attractions, is going to have to go to Test Track. Test Track is a high-speed, exhilarating ride where you get to test out a car that you get to design. There are several different elements of the car that you'll test during this attraction, but my favorite part is when you get to go outside and get up to speeds of over 64 miles an hour. I think this is something that the whole family can enjoy, even down to little ones, so definitely recommend getting a FastPass for this attraction. The other two attractions I mentioned, Soarin' and Frozen, are both great rides as well. Soarin' is very similar to a flight simulator in that you'll get to glide over locations across the world. And lastly, Frozen is going to be a great attraction for those who love the Frozen movies. It is a slow-moving boat ride, so nothing to scare the kids here. They will thoroughly enjoy this one. So as I mentioned, Test Track is going to be my Tier 1 FastPass recommendation. Tier 2 is going to be all the other shows and attractions at Epcot. Coming in at number 2 is going to be Spaceship Earth. Spaceship Earth is a classic attraction and has been there since the opening of Epcot, because it is actually in the Epcot Ball. Now, this attraction is a slow-moving ride, and you get to go back in time to see how technology has changed us for the better. It's a great attraction, especially if you're wanting to learn a little bit about our history, and so for that, I highly recommend it. My last pick at Epcot is gonna have to be Living with the Land. Living with the Land is a slow-moving boat ride where you'll get to learn about agriculture and also learn what Epcot is doing to play their part. This is a great attraction, especially if you're interested in farming or even just learning about how to grow a garden at home. That's gonna do it for my FastPass selections at Epcot. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have a FastPass recommendation when you go to Epcot. I'd love to hear that. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our videos for more tips and tricks.
Hey everybody, just wanted to say thanks for watching. We know you have lots of choices for theme park videos, so we appreciate you making the time for us. If you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more rides, shows, and attractions, don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks.